And my first guest joins me this week via remote link from Santa Monica, California. Mr. Matthew Schisler is the Chief Executive Officer of a company called Cord Blood America. Matt, good to see you again.
Hey, Don, good to see you again.
Now, Matt, of course, your company is involved in the stem cell industry, specifically in the collection of umbilical cord blood after the child is born. You cryogenically store that. Can you tell us all about that again, please?
We privately bank umbilical cord blood stem cells for families. Don, what that means is that families pay us to store the stem cells that are in the umbilical cord of their born children. That's a perfect match for the child in case they would ever need to use those stem cells in transplant.
Well, Matt, of course, you can never have a conversation about stem cells without the possibility of controversy, because so very many people are just vehemently against embryonic stem cell research. But a couple of years ago, there was a discovery of something called embryonic-like stem cells, cord blood derived, yet embryonic-like in their characteristics. They're called CBEs. Can you tell us about that, please?
Within the umbilical cord, after the child is born, there's a whole host of stem cells. And the CBEs that you're talking about, Don, are stem cells that show embryonic-like traits. Now, what does this mean to the industry? Obviously, there's a tremendous debate between embryonic stem cells and adult stem cells. And these cord blood-derived stem cells that you're discussing are adult stem cells, so they're non-controversial, yet they have many similar traits to embryonic stem cells. It doesn't end the debate, but it really does swing the debate much more in favor of adult stem cells.
Well, Matt, that's really fascinating because, of course, if that can be made to work as well as what some people are saying can only be done with embryonic stem cells, that would at some point in time end that debate. Now, for parents who are considering having children, Matt, maybe who are currently pregnant and they want to find out more about this opportunity, where can they get more information?
For the parents, Don, our website is Corcell, that's CORCELL.com.
Stem cells that are derived from the umbilical cord blood after the child is born. No controversy, no problem. Company's Cord Blood America. Matt, thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks, Don.